Hybrid, pick your team 13. Karam, thank you for the kill. I forgot to get top loaders. Yep, that's the fact. That's facts. All these next videos for like the next week and a half, murdered. 100%. Casinos were not born on winners. Now, I will say, off of my initial $500, I fucking murdered. What was the oof? What did I do? Sure. Switch it up. Sounds good to me. Let's go. Switch it up. Let me give it the casino shuffle. Yeah. Auto? A.J. Johnson for the Hawks. Karam. Sorry for the Hawks, for the Wizards. I'm sorry. I don't know why I said Hawks. Don't ask me why I said Hawks. Hallie. What the Hallie? What the Hallie? True Blue. Paul George. I was probably thinking Jalen Johnson at first. Done. Silver. Light blue of Jaylen Brown. That is true. Sar. That's a nice bub. I said, what the Hallie? Lots of whites this case. White courtside. Come on. There's time to switch to a rookie algorithm. Now's the time. Rookie algorithm. Nope. Oh, Paulo for the Magic on the whites. 9/75 for Mango. Courtsides have been vets. Nice connect. Premier level. Premier level seems to be doing well. Lakers, Karam. Come on. LeBron. Premier level. Come on, baby. I want some gold. Cody Williams. Red of Isaiah Collier, rookie for the Jazz. Light blue courtside, probably not a rookie. Jinx myself. Ah. I literally jinxed myself. Damian Lillard, the former Buck. I was hoping I would jinx myself into being a rookie. It didn't work. There's Ja. You could tell by the shoes. For the Grizz, Mango. I don't see any bricks yet. No bricks. Victor. Edie. Nikola Vucevic. Come on. Whoa. Is this a brick? Nope. I think we got an extra card in this one, maybe. No, we didn't. Courtside blue. Kyrie for the Mavericks. /25. Or how about some blacks? McCain, Shepard, Wells. 3 left. I'll take a black right there. Black, black, black. White. I love the whites. Chet on the white for the Thunder. Come on. Light blue courtside. Man, this courtside is nuts. Speaking of Johnsons, did I jinx myself for Johnsons? No bricks on this one, Karam. Oh, was that black? Oh, that's black. Karam, that's black. We got a sweat on a black. Our first one. Our first black. Be massive for the boys. One time. Wow. Wow. It's a 1/1 of Isaiah Collier for the Jazz. And I seen this kid play. That's pretty sick. There's our first hybrid 1/1. This case is definitely a special case. Premier level 1/1 of Isaiah Collier for Karam. Oops, I gotta get a picture. Nice hit. Good time on a kill for Karam. Great time on a kill. Hey, you know what's crazy about that? And obviously you've seen it. We went pack by pack. I fucked with the packs a little bit. I didn't change the order of the packs, obviously. Talk about the last pack. Mojo. Last pack. Hey, the case started hot. Did we have 2 golds to start the case? I don't remember how much golds we had, but golds, autos came out early like that. When it's hot, it's hot. Hey, it was a rookie. It was a rookie black. I'll take it. If it was a courtside, we would have had a sweat. We'd be looking for purple. We'd be like, Karam, are we going to do it again? Guys, are we doing 14? You guys let me know. If a 1/1 scares you off, then I don't know what to tell you. Because we had gold in the last select case. Everybody got scared and we had like 8 golds. No, they're off today, tomorrow. They'll be on Sunday. I'm going to run out of top loaders again. No, it's great. J&D, ask anybody in here. Nobody took the gold auto in select after the first 2 boxes because we had like 2 golds. We ended up hitting like 6 more golds in the case. Literally. People were scared to take the gold and then what was the other spot? The case hit spots because we hit a solar eclipse. Nobody wanted to take the no one wanted to take like the visionaries or the color wheel like that. We had a visionary in the same case. I'm one of the people that I go against the grain. Like when I see it coming out, I'll attack it. Now that's also just me. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. This was my best hybrid case so far. This is only my 3rd case. First 2 cases were okay, were solid. Yeah, backups exactly. I back it up. I'm like Little John and the East Side Boys. And we aren't scared of Tiggle Bitties. Or however the song goes. Recap. And of course for Karam, I don't have it cased up yet because I need a picture, but a 1-of-1 premier level of Isaiah Collier. For Karam. Great timing. And that was the break, everybody. Thank you guys.